Multi-product pricing.
We have discussed about what is multi-product pricing and what are the strategies and types of multi-product pricing in our previous classes. And today we will be going to discuss on branding. So according to you, what do you people think about a branding is? Customer perception about the company advertising. Okay. Anything else? What is a brand is? When I am saying a brand to you people, when I am saying uttering the word brand, what comes into your mind first?
It's like a brand advertisement video.
Okay.
So that when we talk about something, immediately that picture comes into your mind.
Great. Anything else? So to make crisp and short, I will give you a few words. You people must say what it is. Okay? Take a break. Secret of my energy. Actual sort. Okay. So whenever you are saying all these words, the first thing that comes into your mind is that brand. A small word or day-to-day words that use in our regular day-to-day basis gives an impact towards a product or a service that a company provides. This is what called as a branding is. CSK. So that is water.